vacuum cleaner doesn't have as much suction as it used to. Open the dustbin cover by pressing the push button on the cleaner. Grab the handle of the dustbin and pull it upward. Pull the hook on the back of the dustbin to separate filter and sponge from the bin. Thoroughly clean out the fine dust particles on the filter and sponge with a vacuum cleaner and cleaning brush. Do not wash the filter with water. Its suction power will decrease. Tip: to maintain the performance of ROBOKING, clean the filter at least once a week. Open the cover while pushing the button of the dustbin. Empty the bin and clean it with cleaning brush or in running water. If it is cleaned with water, leave it air dry completely in the shade. After cleaning the dustbin, close the cover and put filter and sponge into it. Assemble filter and sponge in accordance with the following sequence. Fit the rectangular locator on the filter into the slot. Check if filter and sponge are assembled correctly. Tip: if you operate the cleaner without a filter in the dustbin, it may cause a failure by allowing dust to come inside of the robot cleaner. Put the dustbin into ROBOKING and close the cover.